Moving on, posters have surfaced in Uttar Pradesh's Amethi attacking Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi's absence. Remember, who is on a month-long sabbatical. Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to now be back on the 20th of April. Posters have sprung up in the Nehru Gandhi bastion titled Amethi Without a Leader. Amir Haq now joining us live. Amir, it seems to be left the Congress pretty red-faced, considering now that not only, besides several people in the political fraternity questioning where Rahul Gandhi has been, even throughout Parliament, considering there have been important bills that are supposedly close to his heart that have come up. He's not been around. But more importantly, in the bastion, the Congress, the Nehru Gandhi bastion of Amethi, where you have these posters springing up questioning where Rahul Gandhi is.
Well, absolutely. You see, the people in Amethi are quite genuinely peeved over Rahul Gandhi's disappearance, because it's not just about his month-long sabbatical. Rahul Gandhi visited Amethi last sometime in early December. So from then on till now, over 3 months have passed and he hasn't gone back to his constituency. Now, the people of his constituency say that, they understand obviously that Congress did very badly during the last Lok Sabha elections. But they still rallied behind the Gandhi family just to ensure the development of their constituency. Now, there are a host of issues, civic issues lying with these people that they want resolved and solved, but their member of parliament does not seem to be concerned about them. So that's the sentiment that comes from the people of Amethi. And, senior Congress leaders might say that this is a conspiracy from the side of BJP or other rival parties. But the fact is that we understand that many of the Congress workers, committed Congress workers, also feel that Rahul Gandhi is not doing the right thing by keeping away from his constituency.
Right, Amir, but more and more as we see this dissent that's in fact brewing within the Congress workers as well, we see Sonia Gandhi sort of, taking the forefront. We saw that in Parliament. We see it outside Parliament. She's, taking the Congress, reviving it as the party has finally decided to rear its head and spit fire and sort of, emerge with renewed vigor. Is it a sign of things to come? More importantly, as to Sonia Gandhi assuring the Congress and other people within the political fraternity that it's all right if Rahul Gandhi is not around, as long as she is there to take the reins?
Well, absolutely. These Congress workers feel that Rahul Gandhi should have come forward and taken the mantle. He might have issues with the senior Congress leadership, even with the Congress president. But then that is something that needs to be sorted out. It is not something that needs to be discussed out in the public. Also, they think that it does not warrant the kind of reaction that perhaps Rahul Gandhi has given by going off on a sabbatical for over a month. Well, they feel that it is time that he assumes responsibility and stops being escapist. In fact, that is the word that many of these people in his constituency are using against him. And that is why perhaps, this sentiment has been gaining ground that Priyanka Gandhi should perhaps be given the responsibility of Congress Vice President. She should be pushed to the forefront just so that she assumes more responsibility and perhaps she commands a better acceptability amongst the general lot. Also, right, the Congress workers there in Amethi.